This is the Vivo Y16, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can set the screen timeout value to never on this device. So to start off, I would like to point out that by default means of the system, you can only go as high as 30 minutes as per the maximum value for screen timeout. So if you would like to set it to never, we'll need to use the help of the free third-party app that is called Caffeine, which we can get from the Play Store. So let's quickly download and install it. And now, once you have successfully gotten the application, launch it and make sure that the timeout section has the infinite value set, this one. And as long as the Caffeine app stays active in the background, so make sure not to close it, your screen will not go to sleep automatically at all. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.